Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're using VLC on your mobile and want to customize the look of your subtitles, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to change the opacity of subtitle shadows step by step for a better viewing experience. Open the VLC app on your mobile device. Then look at the top left corner and tap the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling down. Tap on Subtitles. Make sure the Subtitles shadow option is enabled. Under that, find the Shadow Opacity slider. Drag the slider to the left for less opacity or to the right for more opacity, depending on your preference. Once you've adjusted the level, simply go back. VLC will automatically save your new subtitle, shadow settings. That's it. Now you can enjoy clearer subtitles with the perfect shadow effect. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.